Jumia has a lot of customer negative comments. This is a comment left by JMSuper4 to a video I made 7 months ago called Kilimall or Jumia, which is better. Now in this video, I'm going to answer her and anyone else who thinks or believes the same. So is it true that Jumia has more bad reviews than Kilimall, or as Super4 put it, has a lot of customer negative comments? Now that statement there has two meanings or two interpretations. Jumia the app has a bad reputation. Like on ukienda Play Store utapata people complaining down there, or certain products on Jumia, or most products on Jumia have negative customer comments. One of the two. Now I'm going to cover both of them, starting with Jumia the app. Jumia has a rating of 4.5 stars out of 5 from 2 million reviews, from a general of 100 million plus downloads. You know how crazy that is? I mean, Jumia has more downloads than the entire Kenyan population. Kilimall, on the other hand, out of 5 million plus downloads, they have 172,000 reviews, which yielded 4.8 stars out of 5. And now that's also impressive. So technically speaking, if this is what she was talking about, she is right. But Jumia generally has more comments. It has more customers. 100 million customers, 2 million. Obviously, it will have more bad reviews than Kilimall. But 4.5 out of 2 million reviews, that's damn good. That's good. Now, let's talk about the second interpretation of the sentence. The product reviews on Jumia they are more negative customer comments, as Super4 called them. Now, if this is what she was talking about, then that's more of a she's wrong. She's wrong, because you see, Jumia or Kilimall doesn't sell products. Jumia na Kilimall are more of middlemen ama marketplace. Jumia na Kilimall ni kama building ya soko. Wanakupea store, wanakuambia ukiuza unatupia kitu fulani, si usijali utapelekea customer hiyo kitu unauza. You see, now kila store has different products with different product reviews, and you'll find sellers selling in Kilimall and selling on Jumia as well. But because Kilimall has less customers than Jumia, the same product will have 20 reviews on Kilimall and 500 reviews on Jumia, and you'll end up having 50 bad reviews on Jumia, and then another, like, from 20 reviews you get like 5 bad reviews, and you'll be like, oh, Jumia has more bad reviews. But in reality, it's because there are more customers. Now let me show you something. You see this itel phone, I'm talking about the stores. It is being sold at the official store. Unaona sasa, ukienda usisearch to see, like, make sure you are buying it from the official store. Let me show you another example. This is Tecno Spark 40 from official store with 1 year warranty. This is the same phone, Tecno Spark 40, but here observe something. 128 GB ROM, 4 GB RAM plus, in brackets 4 GB. Umeona vile wameeleza vizuri? Hapo wanasema 8 GB RAM plus up to 8 GB. Mtu haoni vizuri, to be like, 8 GB RAM at 13K. Yeah, I'll rather buy this. That's why you see this one having 200 reviews and this having 45 reviews. So if this thing is fake, they'll start blaming Jumia, but it's not. You have not bought it from the official store. Juu kuna free gift. You're seeing a free gift, zote, and you'll end up having one free gift out of this, and it may not be even easy as zimeandikwa hapa. You know, you can see something like, you see they are saying their phone is 30,999, but they slashed it to 13,999. But the same phone in the official store, they are saying it was 14,999, and they slashed it to 13,299. You see what I'm saying? Like, you'll end up buying, most people will buy from here than from here, but this one is the official store, and this one is just another seller selling. You see, again, Vitron, you want to buy a Vitron TV, you see, you can buy it from the official store. all of these brands have official stores on Jumia. You don't have to buy from random sellers. You see kama Evitron TV, ukislide chini ya reviews, you'll see something called Vitron official store. I see seller score. Unaona seller score? Seller score 88% seller score. Seller's performance, shipping speed excellent, quality score good, customer rating good. Juni official store. Lakini wewe mwenye unaenda tu na search Vitron TV juu unaangalia yenye inakuja yenye inatokea kwanza. Unapata kitu inatokea kwanza. Let me show you something. Unapata kitu inatokea kwanza, something like this. Unaona umesearch imetokea, nimesearch Tecno imetokea nimesearch Tecno, kitu ya kwanza imetokea Infinix Hot 60. But when you look closely here, unaona iko sponsored. Au huyu mwenye histo amelipa Jumia ndio product yake ukisearch simu ikuje on top. You get? Na juu iko na free gifts, basi watu watanunua, but imekuja on top juu ni advert. Amelipia ndo kitu yake pushiwe mbele. You know. But again, when you enter inside and unaenda kwa hiyo store name, unapata Esther Electronic Store with a 30% seller score. That's a D. Shipping average, shipping speed average, quality score very poor, customer rating very poor. You see, lakini umesearch ikakuja the first one. Alafu wakadanganya wanakata huge money, 30k, mtu mwenye elewi yako like oh my god. You see, brand yote ukitaka kusearch, let's say you want to buy a TV, you want to buy Skyworth. Ukienda ukisearch tu Skyworth, utaletewa Skyworth store, itakuja tu hapo. Ikuje when you check out the products, see official store. Hizi zote ni from the official Skyworth store, si mtu random anauza. Na from the official store they are usually cheaper. But as nanga gifts, but they usually cheaper. Unaona? Sasa ni vitu za kucheck ukienda. Unaona kama like unaweza search any store. Unaona kama hapa kuna hii store kuna Chinatown. It has a store on Jumia selling. This is a reputable store. Inauza stuff Jumia. Unaona? But watu wataenda mtu uta-search tu underwear for men, afu utaletwa na mtu random, hautaangalia seller score, like utaka kuangalia mwenye anauza like ako reputation yake ikoaje. Unaweza angalia unaona unaweza check. Another thing I was to talk about. Yeah, actually I've talked about everything, right? I've talked about everything. Yeah. So what I do nikienda kubuy vitu Jumia, you check at four important things. Store. Which store are you buying? Store, your store unanunua, is it the official store ama is it a random seller? Ni mtu kama mimi nimefungua shop Jumia ama Kilimall nauza. You have to check that one first. And then after checking the store, is it the official store or another store? You check the seller score ama store score. Uangalie score. Kama iko A, 80 and above, go for it, buy. Kama iko 8 and below 80, angalia mbona. Shipping speed yake ni iko poor ama quality ya vitu iko poor ama customer rating tu iko poor. Unaona? After umeangalia hizo tatu, go and read the description. Juu wanaambiwa by law lazima ikuwe kweli. Unaweza kuchanganya kidogo lakini lazima ikuwe kweli. Kuna venye wanachanganya maneno a little bit. Because you can see here the way I was showing you, unaona hii official store anakuambia ni RAM ni 4GB, 4GB extended. Unaget? Lakini hapo anakuambia up to 8GB RAM. What does that mean? You have to uingie kwa description, you check what does that mean. Juu mtu normal ataona 8GB, ndo maana imetoka 30k kuja 13k. Hii ni 14k juu ni 4GB. Oh my god, atari ana like add to cut. If you end up having a phone with 4GB RAM, afu like what? Jumia manzi hata ndo spendi Jumia, you get. But it's not Jumia, it is the store you are buying from. Juu hata wewe ukiamua leo ufungue store Jumia, you can open your own store on Jumia. Yeah, that's it. I hope this video imesaidia mtu mahali. It will be my pleasure if it has helped someone somewhere. And thanks for watching. Kama imekusaidia, leave a comment on your experience shopping on Jumia or Kilimall, and thanks for watching. Kama uja watch the video I was talking about the Kilimall or nini video, iko hap ama hap, no hap, tuweke hap iko hap on my right hand. Thanks for watching.